Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno11 F and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and tap on display and brightness. Then let's scroll down and localize this eye comfort option. Let's tap on it and let's begin with turning it on just by tapping on the switcher at the top. And as you can see, the screen immediately changes the colors. Right now it is, I would say, yellowish or amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. We can of course change the intensity of that feature just by using the switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and it is almost invisible, I would say. And by going to the right we can set it much warmer. It is really orange right now. So set it just like you on the level you want to use, and of course which is the most comfortable for you. Here we've got the display effects. So right now we've got the color option, which means that the colors remain the same, kind of. They are all of course affected by the yellow shield, however they are still visible. You can see that here we've got blue color on those switchers, or we can set it black and white, and as you can see everything will be displayed in a monochromatic manner, so it's up to you. I think I prefer the color option. We can also schedule that feature, because right now we've got it set on the manual option, let's say, so you have to manually turn it on and off. Just by going to the schedule and tapping on the switcher, you can choose the start and the end time. As you can see, you can choose preferable hour of the turning on and hour of turning it off, and of course your device will turn on and off the eye comfort mode accordingly to the schedule you've set. However, I don't want to use it. Alright, so that was the whole customization of the eye comfort mode, and of course we can have much faster access to this option. All we have to do is to we have to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to open all of those icons, and here we have to find the eye comfort, which is in my case right here. So all we have to do is to tap on it to apply the mode, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.